My clients are from Toronto originally, and they've moved to New York for business. They eventually decided they wanted to come back, and so they just did so recently, about a year and a half ago. They found this beautiful house which ticked all the boxes. Their house was a very different style, and they wanted not to bring any of their furniture with them. So they basically had to find someone to decorate their entire house. Their house is a bit more traditional, but their interior design style is a little bit more contemporary. My client loves color. You'll kind of notice that in every room. I do find that you can mix it up because it's not like it's an open concept and you can see all the different colors. This is the formal living room. Initially, there was no fuchsia. We had these two chairs, which are black leather, and we had the sofa, which is a very muted color. And it just wasn't working for her. She really wanted a pop of color. We just had them recovered in this beautiful Romo fabric from England. So that was the jumping off point with these two chairs. We then had these two stools custom made for them and had a couple of pillows just to tie in the whole berry theme. And that leads to the whole Christmas decor. Because these two rooms open up, we just wanted to keep a really soft palette, and hence the light colored chairs. We chose a very rich wood table, and the rugs that we chose, they just add a rich texture to the room. So in the family room, again, the client really wanted color. We made two matching sofas because they do have a large family, and we did those in a very neutral color, but we brought in these amazing swivel chairs in kind of like a cobalt blue. So that was sort of the jumping off point for accessorizing the room. We brought in just some ornaments and we decorated the mantle. I don't like going too overboard in every room. We added bits and pieces of Christmas decor in just a Christmassy kissed look. The kitchen, again, we did bring in some Christmas. We decided to go for red because they had this really cool red lampshade that actually came with the house. So almost every room in this house has a different color to Christmas decor. The holidays are definitely my favorite time of the year. There's something so, I want to say romantic about it. There's something exciting. I think everyone, their inner child, just gets so excited about Christmas. It's something that I don't think ever goes away, and I always embrace it.